You hear the words all the time: manifestation, visualization, alpha state. They're in books, on podcasts, flooding your feed. But have you ever wondered who started it all? Who cracked the code of training your brain on purpose? Let's rewind. A boy grows up in Laredo, Texas. He loses his father at 4. By 6, he's shining shoes on dusty streets. By 10, he's fixing broken radios to help put food on the table. His name, José Silva. Fast forward, 1944. Silva was now a full-time radio technician. Mexican-American, self-taught, no PhD, no lab coat. Just a curious mind and a soldering iron. But what he was fixing wasn't just radios. It was something far more powerful. Something most people never even think to tune. The human mind. Now, this is where it gets interesting. One night, helping his kids with homework, he noticed something. When they were alert, tense, straining to focus, trying hard, they struggled. But when they were relaxed, even kinda daydreamy, they remembered everything. That was the spark. What if the brain had frequencies, like radios? And what if you could tune into them at will? So Jose got to work. Not in a lab, in his garage, on his kids. Yep, his children were the first test subjects. And what he found blew the lid off everything we thought we knew about learning, focus, and even healing. He found that when the brain slows down to alpha or theta states, the mind becomes sharper, imagination becomes clearer, learning becomes faster, and the body begins to heal. It was like finding the dial to your own consciousness, and it became the foundation for what he called the Silva Method. Fast forward, 1966. After years of research, testing, and quiet breakthroughs in his own home, José Silva releases it to the world. The Silva Mind Control Method, a way to train your brain to enter alpha and theta states on command and unlock parts of the mind most people never access. People were learning to slow their brain waves, access deeper levels of awareness, to visualize, solve problems, even influence their own health. Executives, artists, scientists, even the CIA came knocking. Yes, really, they wanted to explore psychic training. And Jose, he just kept teaching and proving what modern neuroscience would only confirm decades later. Today, the Silva legacy is carried forward by his own family through Silva Method International. Over 12 million students and counting have learned to tap into their alpha and theta states, not just to learn or focus, but to live better. People are using the Silva life system not just for stress, focus, and manifestation, but also to reconnect with intuition, find purpose, and access deeper states of knowing through the intuition system. And the true frontier was never out there. It was in here. So, who was José Silva? A radio repairman? A curious scientist? Or just the first person who figured out how to tune the mind like a machine?